In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom class in this beginner guide for 2025. Whether you're a teacher navigating the digital classroom landscape for the first time or someone who's been away from G Suite tools for a while, this guide is tailored to help you get started smoothly. Google Classroom is a powerful tool to manage your classes, assignments, and students effectively, and creating your first class is the essential step in utilizing all it has to offer. Let's dive in and walk through the process. First, you need to visit the Google Classroom homepage. Simply open your browser, go to classroom.google.com, and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage, which is like your dashboard for all things Google Classroom. Here, you'll also get a glimpse of any classes you might already be part of. For beginners, this might be empty, but don't worry, we're about to change that. Look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a small plus icon. This icon is your gateway to creating or joining classes, and today we're focusing on creation. Click on this plus icon and a small drop-down menu will appear with a couple of options. You're going to want to select the option labeled Create Class. Now, Google will prompt you with a short notice for using Google Classroom in an educational setting, especially if you're planning to use it with students. It's essential to acknowledge and agree to their terms to proceed. Now you're greeted with a pop-up window titled Create Class. This is where you start customizing your virtual classroom. You'll start by naming your class, which could be anything from English Literature 101 to Introduction to Physics. It's crucial to choose a name that's clear and indicative of the class content so that students can easily recognize it. Below the class name, you'll see fields for section, subject, and room. These fields are optional, but they can be helpful if you wish to have multiple classes or subjects on Google Classroom. Simply type in the necessary information for better organization. After inputting your class details, it's time to create it officially. To do that, simply click the Create button at the bottom right of the pop-up window. And just like that, you've successfully created your first Google Classroom class. You will be redirected to the newly created class page where you can start customizing it further, adding students, sharing announcements, and more. This beginner's guide is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to harnessing the full potential of Google Classroom. Feel free to explore and make the most out of this wonderful teaching tool.